Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TD Ameritrade API with OAuth for mobile. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the TD Ameritrade API using OAuth for mobile, you need to follow these steps. Begin by creating a TD Ameritrade developer account if you haven't already. Visit the TD Ameritrade developer portal and log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the API section and create a new application. Fill in the required fields such as the application name and description. Choose the mobile application type to ensure correct authentication flow. In the callback URL section, provide a valid redirect URL for your mobile app. Make sure to note your API key, as you will need it during the OAuth process. Next, implement the OAuth 2.0 authorization code flow in your mobile app. To initiate the authentication, create a URL that redirects users to the TD Ameritrade login page. The URL will include your API key, response type, and the redirect URL you provided earlier. Prompt the user to enter their TD Ameritrade credentials on the login page. Upon successful login, TD Ameritrade will redirect back to your app with an authorization code. Catch this authorization code in your app's redirect URI. Once you have the authorization code, exchange it for an access token. Make a post request to the TD Ameritrade token endpoint with your API key, authorization code, and redirect URI. Ensure that you include the grant type as authorization_code in your request. On receiving the response, extract the access token from the JSON data. You can use this access token to make authenticated requests to the TD Ameritrade API. Remember that the access token has an expiration time, so be prepared to refresh it as necessary. To refresh the token, use the refresh token you received alongside the access token. Make periodic requests to ensure that your app remains authenticated while interacting with the TD Ameritrade API. Now you have successfully set up OAuth authentication for your mobile application with TD Ameritrade API. You are ready to start making requests to access market data or perform trading operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.